Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cocktails with Bacardi. We'll start by gathering your essential bar tools, like a jigger for precise measurements and a shaker for proper mixing. Understanding the role of each ingredient, from fresh lime juice to simple syrup, is key to a balanced drink. We'll cover the foundational techniques that will help you craft delicious Bacardi cocktails right at home, ensuring a perfect pour every time. Let's dive into making a refreshing mojito, a true Bacardi classic. Begin by gently muddling about 8 to 10 fresh mint leaves with 2 teaspoons of sugar and 1 ounce of fresh lime juice in your glass. This releases the mint's aromatic oils without tearing the leaves. Next, add 2 ounces of Bacardi Superior rum and fill the glass with ice. Top it off with club soda and give it a gentle stir. Garnish with a lime wedge and a sprig of mint for that perfect finish. Now, let's master the elegant simplicity of a daiquiri. In a shaker, combine 2 ounces of Bacardi Superior rum with 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Then, add 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup, which is equal parts sugar and water. Fill your shaker with ice and shake vigorously for about 15 to 20 seconds until thoroughly chilled. Strain the mixture into a chilled coupe glass. This classic cocktail highlights the crisp notes of Bacardi beautifully. To truly elevate your cocktail game, remember that quality ingredients make a significant difference. Always use fresh juices and high-quality ice to prevent your drinks from becoming watered down too quickly. Don't be afraid to experiment with different Bacardi rum expressions, like Bacardi Gold or Bacardi Ocho, to discover new flavor profiles. Also, for more great deals, and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Cheers to your next delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.